Habibti, this is a beautiful country. Hey, you'll come down under, live with us. Hey, Habibti. Down under, why? Hey. With us, not my mother, no, just me and you.
Everybody be cool! This is a stick-up!
Sir, there is no one here but the three of us.
Everybody be cool! This is a robbery!
Okay, Ahmed. Time to pay up.
Yes, sir, my partner's well serious!
No fucking hero shit, okay, say it. Otherwise, British hero, he'll pop a twiddler in that little hat of yours.
Yeah! Yeehaw!
What are you doing? What? British people don't say yee, huh?
Look, it's just that I always want to be a cowboy, you know? Can we switch?
No, we can't fucking... No, we can't fucking switch.
Fuck this. I'm going home.
Alright, fine. No, fine. We'll both be American, alright? Come on, come on.
Oh, just take what you want, huh?
Open the register.
Your accent, it changed.
No, it hasn't.
Yes, it did. Before he was speaking with English accent.
Yeah, well, you must be smoking some weird ganja, Osamah. So make like my partner said and open the fucking register.
Open it!
I can't.
You what?
You have to purchase something for the register to open.
Get the fucking porn on.
These on special, 2 for $3.
Lucio. Yeah, it's Steve. Mate, we got 3-2. Thanks, Lucio. Just filling up at the survey. Yeah, 10 minutes. Thanks. Dickhead.
Shit.
Hi, dumb fuck.
Hurry up, Mohammed.
Give me a card.
$3.
Give me a card.
Sorry, there's $10 minimum on F-Force.
What the fuck's going on now?
Shit. Get on the floor, you hairy maggot.
What's with the accent?
What accent? What are you talking about, turkey?
Stupid fucking American accent. I told you to wait in the car. It's fuck all here. Might as well take him under Barclay Street. Charles, right in the fucking car.
What'd you say his real name,
You
Steve?
just call me by my real name. Don't use my real name.
What did Lucio say?
You got 10 minutes, all right? 10 minutes. Where the fuck are you going? Did you press that button, monkey?
What's wrong with this country?
Fuck it, we got no time, let's go.
We just thought we needed a bit more money, is all.
You see, I told you, Chubbs, it was a stupid idea. Don't worry about it, Steve. It won't happen again, all right?
If it happens again, I'll fuck you both deep in the ass.
Go!
Yeah, what is this fabric?
Oh, none of that wool shit.
Yeah. See, me and Chubbs here, we believe in comfort.
Yeah. See, my nan made it for it. Well, for us, you know, it's acrylic. It's really smooth on the skin.
Yeah, acrylic.
I like it, eh?
Hey.
It's kind of shit that'll move you up the criminal food chain. Move it up, boys.
Oh, shit!
Oh, they right up our ass.
See? Whose fucking fault was this?
Hey, I'm not fucking stopping now, cunt. Yeah, no thanks to you, cunts.
Hey, don't blame me. Talk to the fat man.
Hey, fat! Excuse me, mate, I've lost 10 kilos, thank you very much. Anyway, you're the one that said I should take the initial...
Initiative! You rotund moron! That's what we need in this business, right, Steve?
Whatever, I've got more initiative than you'll ever have.
Yeah, is that why you chose to shoot that sand monkey in the foot?
I was trying to be nice to him!
Nice! We're not there to be nice, you fuckstick!
I swear to God,
Don't you fucking try me, you cunt!
Just fucking...
Oh, shit!
Moves out there on the floor.
I'm surprised myself tonight.
Holy shit, that's Clear Bassett.
Clear Bassett?
Yeah, man.
Hey, mate, no, you've got Buckley's, mate.
Oh, yeah, right. I suppose you're the all-inspiring king of the art of picking
See,
up.
Mate, this is what I'm talking about. You don't have the X Factor.
The what?
The X Factor. It's the element of luck that exists everywhere and in everything.
All right, is that what they're calling it these days? Because I thought that was just an excuse.
Oh, if it's an excuse, then prove me wrong. Go over there and talk to her.
I will. And I don't need your help. I'll do it my way. I will. I'll finish my beer. I'll go over there.
Hi, I'm here to see Lucia.
Have you got an appointment?
Yes.
What's your name, old timer?
Paul Martins.
Wait there. Yeah, right. Paul Martins, please. Yeah, come on. But don't touch anything, yeah?
I'm here to see Lucia.
What do you want?
Just explaining, I'm here to see Lucia.
He's waiting for you?
He's expecting me, yeah.
Go. This piece of shit's here to see you.
Has he got it? Fetoso. Send him over.
Knuckle search him, will you?
I don't have any guns. I don't know how to use one.
Someone talking to you, Grandpa?
Knuckles, back off.
He's clean.
Now listen to me, piece of shit. Don't go pissing me uncle off, because if you piss him off, you're gonna piss me off. And if you piss me off, I'm gonna cut your fucking balls off, you understand?
Why would you want to piss him off, eh?
I wouldn't. I just need to speak to him. I just need to speak to Lucia. You've come empty-handed.
Look, Lucia, I know I made a promise, but it's my wife, you see. She's been really, really sick, and I haven't had time to...
Your wife can go to hell for all I care.
What?
No, I didn't mean that. You can go to hell.
No.
You see, Bella Mia, nobody escapes their deaths. There is no place to hide. Especially not behind your wife. Now clean him up. Hello. Stephen. Have you got it? Stephen, this is unacceptable. Where are you?
I'm just filling up at the survey.
Bring whatever you and those morons have collected and we'll see how best this can be settled. 10 minutes.
Go. Is everything okay?
Stephen and those two morons are on their way back here. And they've only got half of my money.
Why'd you only let him bring half of what they owe?
Because his great boss has something else that I want. And when they can't pay me all of my money, he will pay me with that.
Yeah, that's why you're the boss.
No. I'm the boss because I sit in this chair. And you two do everything I tell you to do. Capito?
You know what your problem is, mate?
What?
Is that you don't take any collateral.
You've been watching too many movies,
No,
mate.
mate, dead serious, right? When you lack the X factor, like you do, then collateral becomes twice as important.
You know, I really don't care.
Yes, there is. Thanks a lot, bitch. No problem, slut. Looked like you needed the wash anyway.
You definitely should not have done that.
Oh, I'm so scared. Is little girl gonna have another psychotic episode? Yeah, that's what I thought. You don't want to get yourself blacklisted from another place.
No, it's really...
Go have a cold shower.
Fuck, not again!
What the fuck was that?
The bitch spilled a drink down my back.
Yeah, I saw that, but what was with the melee? You've done some serious damage.
Oh, that was feisty, mate.
Shut up, Tony. Sam, you always have to try and save the day, don't you?
Did you see her face? The girl is seriously hurt.
Well, she'll live, Sam.
Fine. From now on, no more help, okay? Go out into the big bad world on your own. No training wheels, no help from your big brother. You happy?
Yes, I am happy.
You sure? You happy?
Yes,
fine. Walk home. Get your own way fucking home. Don't, man. She's such a fucking child sometimes.
Fuck stick! I swear to God, don't you fucking try me, you cunt!
Don't worry. Where the fuck's she going? Mate!
Oh, shit!
Hey, watch out!
Just wait up! Hold on for a fucking second!
Oh, holy shit!
That's a nasty wound, mate.
Yeah, shut the fuck up, you fucking acrylic!
Acrylic.
Hello?
Is it done?
Oh, hey, boss. Yeah, no, there's a small problem. Those two cocksuckers crashed the car!
Do you want to explain to me exactly how they crashed the car you were meant to be driving?
Well, yeah, no, some bitch jumped in the fucking road!
I don't fucking care! You morons! Let's get the fuck back here. Lucio.